is this one?
Yeah.
0. It's scenic actually.
Yeah.
Built in 1984. December 63011. 1984 scenic.
Pohjakerros.
Yeah.
Ylöspäin.
2 rides per elevator.
Yeah.
Very amazing. And very rare.
Yeah.
This, but it could be late 1984.
Yeah.
Best they say versions or season diagrams.
Alaspäin.
Elevators in Finland.
Yeah.
But of course the Joensuu's easy water way to it.
Yeah.
This is one of the best.
Yeah.
Kuudes kerros.
Fixed floor.
Ensimmäinen kerros. Alaspäin.
Now I want to ride to the floor indicator.
Yeah.
Pohjakerros.
So that we can watch it.
Yeah.
Ylöspäin.
Yeah.
Speaking Finnish.
Yeah.
But that announcement must have been under that.
Yeah.
And they are fast as well. That's
Yeah.
amazing too.
Kahdeksas kerros.
Yeah.
Alaspäin.
There.
You can,
Yeah.
And yeah, so this is the Kuopio University Hospital D wing.
Yeah.
Where shall we change our
Pohjakerros.
Yeah, I don't know.
one more? One.
Ylöspäin.
Yeah. This. What? Drop it. One.
Just the grey bunker.
Yeah.
Only that one has been
Yeah.
deleted.
Ensimmäinen kerros.
Hopefully nobody's there.
Yeah.
Don't try.
Yeah.
That's in 1984, December 63012. I think unless they say purchase or season letter. I'll film the flight window first.
Yeah.
Two and three are broken. And 6 is broken. need another ride for the scenic view.
Yeah.
And of course it is outside. It's rare in Finland.
Yeah.
Rare for hospital elevators.
Yeah.
First or second floor. He went to the second floor.
Yeah.
Then you can press.
Yeah.
Use this mirror effect.
Yeah.
No, it's not full.
Yeah.
The fact that they are scenic makes them even more rare.
Yeah.
Because
Inspektit by Kiva inspektant maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
because we didn't film anything from 1984 scenic in Finland.
Yeah.
Here we found it. The bed elevators are next to us, but they probably are.
Yeah.
And they are of course non-scenic. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. They have the chairs.
That's